And take 3, here we go.
This is my Lexus, and it's broken. The door handle, as you can see, doesn't work the normal way because it cracked and broke. You just move both pieces at the same time. Ryan seems to hate it, and the real problem is that all the hotels I stay in Portland are valet only, and the valets all don't know how to deal with it.
I'm gonna represent a normal person / the valet trying to get into Steven's car with normal human-sized fingers that aren't the strength of an alligator's clamping force. It's fucked up.
Well, whatever, we're fixing it.
Yeah.
Where's the new piece? Luckily, there's a thing called eBay, and you can literally get any part for any car almost overnight. So I have a brand new, to me, door handle. And we're just gonna swap it over. It's gonna be great. So how long do you think this job is gonna take, Mr. Interior Master?
Including brakes, 4 hours.
Oh, let's try to get it done a little faster than that. I didn't do any research ahead of time. What do you think is the order of operations here?
Oh, this is completely different from an MR2.
Yeah.
I'm seeing screw head.
Yeah.
That's it. That's what holds the whole thing on.
Just that one screw?
It's gotta be. Oh, there's the second one.
Hmm.
Almost lost it. Okay, turns out this is actually really similar to an MR2. I need you to put more effort into fixing this car, so that way when you get another one, I can have a perfect LS.
Perfect LS400?
To drive, but not pay to maintain.
Not, yeah.
Or insure.
Yeah. That's all good.
I'm going under, give me the knee pad. I'm gonna find out what that breaking glue sound is.
Sounds like just the cardboard is separating.
It is. I've never seen that happen before. Do this side, do this side.
Oh, look at that.
And then that side has a clip.
Oh my god. You are the Toyota Master.
Wow! And there's that screw. Toyota Master. I don't hear that enough.
Well, you know what? In my world, you are the Toyota Master.
Now I need a hot girl to say it to me in bed.
That's never gonna happen. Yeah, this needs to come off, but I don't see where, you know? I'm scared. Is this just holding it?
There we go. See, that was the trick.
It was that side.
Toyota Master!
Does the window need to be down? Because this trim is here, you know? Oh, man.
Wow, this is heavy.
It's so heavy!
The inside of the door is so much less exposed than I was expecting.
Yeah, me too. Dude, there's screws holding it in place up here.
Yeah. Well, you definitely don't do it with the window down. That makes it tricky.
Well, that was easy. Now the other one, I can't even see it. No, I can't even get my finger on it, Ryan. Is this the hole that you used to get to it?
Oh, maybe.
Oh my god, it's right there.
They put an access hole in it!
Access hole!
Unlike my ex-wife. Toyota build quality is almost perfect. That's why it's called the pursuit of perfection. They're not there yet. Well, they weren't there in 1998 yet. I guess 97 when this generation came out. I guess 96 was probably when they built it. Or 95 when like the development was happening. I mean, it looks like it's starting to come out.
Yeah, but I can't get it. You get it.
Toyota Master. I'm like Engine Masters, except way less useful. Open the door handle and hold it open. Ah.
What?
And we might have to do these impossible to get to screws. So we need a super short screwdriver.
Short?
Yep, it needs to be like an inch shorter. So we need like a screw
Do we have that?
adapter. I always throw those away.
Did you get it?
Well, this will at best only work on one of the screws.
Should we go loan a tool?
Change of scenery.
I don't think it's the right fit. I don't think any of these are going to work. How does the lock come out? It's not attached anymore, right?
Not gonna work.
Not gonna work?
Boom, bitch. Oh. I did break that. So, get that out.
Out?
Yep.
Oh.
Okay, now put that on the barb. The rod has to go through the hole of the handle,
First.
and then you push the plastic into the hole of the handle. Changing the door lock mechanism on your Lexus is a zero-beer job. That's how easy it is.
What a pain in the dick! We lost a screw. Yeah, one of the ones that goes into that holds the handle to the...
I mean, I did rearrange all that shit in there, so. Look like a drug dealer. It's just a bunch of cash in there. Well, how the fuck did you lose it? How are these ones?
Let's consult the box of things.
That looks like a perfect match.
You do nothing but work on shitty Japanese cars. Save all the bolts. All right, let's see if it works.
Can you fix this? We should have fixed that while it was off. Oh, what are you doing?
Oh no! All right, let's try to fix it. I bet this just pops off, right? Is it screwed in? Ooh. All right. Okay. All right, let's try to get this off. Aha! Indeed.
Ah, it's screwed. Time to mend and make do. To the workshop.
We're gonna turn
this valet disappointment
into gold. God, have you noticed? Whoa! Hello. Yeah. Do you have a stapler?
I have that glue that I stole from your mom.
Oh. Yeah. Let's use that.
Cool.
All right, so a little dab will do you. And then we wait a little bit. Look at that. Mended. That has bothered me a lot.
Good.
I'm glad we fixed it.
I've never brought it up before, but it's always bugged the shit out of me.
It's always bugged me too. I just never wanted to take the door apart.
Yeah.
Mend and make do.
We broke that one.
Yeah, it's all right.
I think so, because look how close that one
Yeah,
is.
it's very close.
Or we could put it back on. I think we should do that, actually.
Put it back on?
Yeah, because we got the glue. Don't even clean it, just do it.
I'm not going to clean it. This shit will stick to anything. Especially when you use as much as I'm about to.
Wow, Jesus Christ. That is gonna fucking stick on there.
And then squish. See, that was the right amount. All right, how long do we wait? It doesn't say. It says read directions on package.
I know.
What a brilliant car. All right, that's it.
And there's no screw like the MR2.
She's back together. That's that.
You threw it and hit your hood.
Hit the hood. Luckily it didn't.